Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a repost on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and I'm going to walk you through reposting a video, and then how to delete that repost. So I'm going to tap that little share icon at the bottom right here, and then you can see at the top left here, it gives me the option to repost. I'm going to tap on that. And you can see right above the name of the username, it says you reposted and gives me the option to add a comment. So I've reposted this video, and to delete it, I have a couple of different options. One of the things that I want to show you is if I go to my profile icon at the bottom right here, it doesn't show this video in this feed. I can go through all of these, and it doesn't show this video anywhere that I've reposted. So I cannot find it on my specific profile to delete that repost. The key is to delete or remove that repost. You have to go to the original video that you reposted. So I can tap that share icon at the bottom right again, and then at the same place that I reposted, it gives me the option to remove that repost. However, if you've done this, say, a few days ago, and you don't remember exactly which video you reposted to go back to it, I'll show you a trick to be able to find that and delete that repost. So at the bottom right, we're going to tap on our profile icon, and then we're going to tap on the three lines at the top right here and go to Settings and Privacy. Now, once we're on here, if we scroll down, you can see midway down is Watch History. So I'm going to tap on Watch History, and then I'm going to tap on the very first one. That's the one that I just reposted. And what you can do is you can scroll through here, and this is your watch history for the last 7 days, and you're going to see which one that you reposted. So you can scroll through and see if any of these look like ones that you've posted. And I think there's one that I reposted down here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. So you go through here, this one with the little cat, so I can tap on this one. Because, say, I remember that I reposted this video, and again, I can tap on the share icon here. Oh, this might not be the one that I reposted. So you can go through here, and if there are any ones of these that you reposted, you can keep tapping on this share icon and tap if you want to unrepost it or delete the repost. So this is a good way to be able to scroll through and see if you've watched a lot of TikTok videos. It could be buried in here somewhere. But otherwise, you need to find that exact same video and go to the video to be able to delete that repost. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.